Well, strong winds and heavy snow are bringing blizzard conditions to parts of northern and northeastern South Dakota. KELOLAND's Anya Joseph looks at the impact the weather has had on Aberdeen residents.
I look outside right now, I could barely even see out of our window as there's a bunch of snow just blowing around and it looks like just a white screen.
A blizzard warning went out to Aberdeen, Mobridge, and Redfield this morning as wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour blew snow around the area. Aberdeen was expecting anywhere between 4 and 6 inches of snow.
Oh, it doesn't take too long to get used to warmer weather, even if it's in February. So I was definitely getting used to the nicer weather. And I don't know if I was missing out on something and not paying attention enough, but I was definitely caught off guard when I got the message this morning that I'm a teacher, that we didn't have to go to work.
My initial reaction whenever I looked at my phone after I heard it buzzing was all of our schools got canceled around here, and our classes got canceled, and even the campus got canceled. So, and I could hear the wind right outside my window just blowing really hard, so I knew that it was pretty bad outside.
Eric Schaffhauser and his wife are both teachers and were able to stay home with their 3 children thanks to the weather alert.
I've seen neighbors drive by that don't have that same luxury when a storm comes, so they're still out working and scrambling to figure out what they're going to do with their kids and all that kind of stuff since they don't have school. So for us, was it a big deal? No, we can hunker down, but I know there are plenty of people scrambling to figure everything out.
Schaffhauser says weather like this is typical in South Dakota, so he and his family are prepared to stay inside.
We have plenty of food in the house, just hunkering down for a nice day. I think we'll have some soup, anything warm today. Give us some comfort food.
In Aberdeen, Anya Joseph, KELOLAND News.
Now you can watch as the storm moves through South Dakota by visiting our KELOLAND Live Cam page. It includes views from more than 30 communities across our area.